Welcome back. We are making seaweed and with seasoned green tea. I'm reading it vice versa. It's seasoned seaweed with green tea. So I love this veggie. I buy it from the Korean store, and I'm not gonna make a lot because I end up eating it with myself and my husband. My kids don't eat these kind of foods. So lately we've tried to be as healthy as we can, trying new foods and learning from YouTube. And so far we have liked it. So I start by crushing my garlic. Goes in. Then I'll go ahead and put my soy. Oh well, I don't know. How do I do this? I'll just open the whole thing. I don't know how to do it. Well, yeah, we'll do the old style.
Dad, guess what? My tooth is getting out.
We put 1 teaspoon. This honey. I can barely open it. There we go. So we put like a teaspoon. You can use sugar. The recipe says you use sugar, but they said you can substitute with honey. So I'm using eucalyptus honey. That's what we've been using here. It's 0 added sugar, and total sugar is 16 grams and 60 calories. Remember I told you the added sugar is what is really bad for you. So yeah, we have this green onions. They go in. You can never go wrong with onions. And then we have our sesame oil. So if you have some sesame seeds, you can also add them to this ingredient list, but I don't have sesame seeds, so I'm gonna use like a tablespoon of oil. So you mix them good all together. Then you go ahead and add your seaweed. So I'll show you how it looks. Oh, this is good. This is good, especially for people who are trying to lose weight. Yeah, I'm going to show you how it looks. So, apparently this is already seasoned. So, this is how it looks. I'm going to put on my glove because you have to mix it thoroughly. And I don't want to use my hands because I don't want the smell to stay. So, well, it's black like the gloves. I wish I had different kind of gloves, but this is how it looks. You can zoom in. Oh, I didn't even know it already has some sesame seeds on it. So we go ahead and chuck it in the bowl. Yeah. Yeah, somebody here wants to taste. Yeah, that's how she wanted to taste it. So actually this one you can eat it like that. This was a new package I was trying because I normally buy the unseasoned. So this time I said let me do seasoned. But hey, we didn't have onions in here. So you can see how it looks. That's how good it looks. And I was worried about the sesame, thinking that I won't have enough ingredients. But voila! Sesame oil has a very strong scent. So some of you may not like it, but I hear it's really healthy. Anyway. Yeah, so this dish is ready. And I'm going to show you how I eat my sesame, what I add to it. And voila! This is how we are eating seaweed and protein. They say with rice it's really good, but it's 7:30 and I have to eat like this. It's good. You should give it a shot. So good.